sustain this much of voltage. So 230 volt, you people have the capacity of having only one chapati at the time. Can you have 5 or 6 chapati at a time? No, not at all, because it will create an indigestion for, and आपका digestive system पूरा खराब हो जाएगा for the day, isn't it? So what you people have is only one chapati for the day, for a one time meal. Okay, so what should be done is, whatever is the requirement of your battery, your voltage should step down to that particular level. Okay, so this 230 which is available at your supply system has to be stepped down to the value of 5 volt. So who does it is nothing but a transformer. Now you can get the importance of transformer, और क्यों पढ़ना है उसका मीनिंग आप लोगों को पता चलेगा. The complete word is supposed to be written, but just I am writing it in short. That is transformer. Okay, so what transformer will do? It will transfer the voltage of 230 to the 5 volt. But the important point is it will be only AC, because transformer's function is just to either step down the voltage or you can step up the voltage as well. There are the 3 types of transformer. I'll come to the types of transformer later on, but transformer can do the function of stepping down the voltage from 230 to 5, or it can do the function of transferring it from 5 volt to 230. Can anyone tell me one of the application? ये मोबाइल चार्जर का application हम देख रहे हैं जहां पर 230 का 5 में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. Do you people have any of the application that is transferring the power voltage from 5 to 230? Does anyone knows it? If it is not, yes, correct, inverter. Very good. Anyone else has any other application of transformer with this? If it is not, generator. Very good, good. So you can have the we'll discuss the application point at the end, but यहाँ पर just हम importance पता कर रहे हैं transformer का in the introduction. Now 230 volt AC which is available at your power socket, you people are feeding it to your mobile battery which is a 5 volt DC. So I am using transformer to stepping down the voltage from 230 to 5. So but it is still AC. Now what is required to convert AC to DC is most important point. Yes, correct, which is nothing but Rishikesh, I'll come to your point later on. Okay, so AC will who will do the function of converting that AC to DC will be your rectifier. Okay, so the next diagram which is coming into the picture will be more clear to you here. Now just see to it the introduction. So what is there to the left hand side is, let's say 230 volt, which is nothing but AC. So transformer will do the function of converting or transferring this voltage of 230, which is nothing but AC itself, to 5 volt, but it will be still AC. Why? Because the function of the transformer is just changing the voltage from one level to another level. So 230 to 5 it will do. Now what is the device which is used to transfer this convert this voltage of AC to DC is rectifier. So rectifier will do what? It will convert that to DC, so 5 volt DC. Unfortunately, the limitation of rectifier is it is not giving you people the pure DC. We people have already discussed the nature of DC. It is of constant magnitude. Okay, so rectifier does the conversion of AC to DC, but it is giving rise the DC with this nature. You can see this nature. What is this nature is called as? This nature of DC is what? Is nothing. This is not the point of discussion. You will be studying it in basic electronics in the next semester, but still I'll just explain you while since I'm explaining you people the mobile charger. Okay, so the output of the rectifier is rippled. It means what? It has this kind of nature. What is expected nature is this. So this is what is expected. So the next device which will be used for removing these ripples is what called as the filter. Okay, so filter will be removing the ripples, as if the filter you people use for your tea. आप चाय बनाने के लिए जैसे यूज करते हो आपका फिल्टर, उसकी चाय पत्ती कैसे साइड में निकलती है, वैसे the unwanted DC will be removed by this filter and it will give you the output like this. Okay, still it has some kind of variation. That variation will be removed by the voltage regulator and it will give you people the constant DC. Okay, so if I'll ask you people to prepare a mobile charger, You can easily prepare now with this assembly. So what is there inside your mobile charger is the assembly of transformer, rectifier, filter, followed by a regulator. Hence, your mobile charger wire is not directly starting from socket to your battery. There is a black or white or brown, whatever the color you people have of your mobile charger, वो उस कलर का जो बॉक्स होता है that is carrying this assembly inside it. If you people have the what we can say, the scrap mobile charger, you can just open it up and you can just see, you can find this kind of assembly inside the charger. Okay, so this is what is the basic introduction. So what we people are now sure of, we require a device which will be converting or transferring the voltage from one circuit to another. Now see what is transformer is doing while transferring the voltage from this side to this is obviously it is